get too technical, I'm back again with another video. Today we're going to talk about the ZFold3 Spen air command feature. So we're going to get right into the video. So if you press on the button twice here, it'll pull up your quick commands on your ZFold3, and I'm just going to go over some of the quick commands that you have. So the first one you have is create a note. So if you want to click on this, all you'd have to do is click on it, and it is easy access for you to just create a note. So if you're out and about and somebody gives you a phone number, or you're out shopping and it's something else you wanted to add on to your list, this is a quick note. So you could just jot down a note real quick, and you can expand, and you can be out and about and just jotting down your notes while you're shopping, or so on and so on. So that's quick note. You can pin it up to the top also, but we want to get rid of that. So the next feature would have to be view all notes. So all you would do is hit here, and this will just show you all your notes that you currently have on your device. The next one that you would have would be Smart Select, and I love Smart Select. So say there's something, okay, so we're gonna do it again. Let's get out of it and let's just go to the internet. So since Black Friday is coming, say there's something you want to point out to somebody, to be like, go buy me this or go buy me that. So all you would do is just go into, let me cut my internet on. All you would do is just go into the website you want to go into. So say you want somebody to buy you one of these items. All you would need to do is just go here, hit Smart Select. Then you just select what you want the person to see, and as you can see, it's right there. You can also just select it. You can screen select it and send it to whoever you want to send it to, and it'll just pop up in your gallery as a screenshot, and then you can just share it to whoever you want to share it to. So you can share it as a text message, to Twitter, so on and so on, to whoever you want to send it to, but we're going to delete that. The next feature would have to be screen write. So with screen write, all you would need to do is take a screenshot of something, and if it's something that you just want to point out to tell that person to go look at, all you would have to do is just, so say I want you to check out the settings app, I can draw an arrow and I can circle it, and just like that, that is screen write. Or you can say hi, make little smiley faces or whatever. So that's nice, simple, and easy to have. And you can also save it, but we're going to discard it. The next feature would have to be live message. So you can be sending a text message. If you want to send a text message to somebody, you can do that. But live message is, you can take a video or something. You can just take a video or something, or take a picture or something. Then you can just write on it. Then you would hit done, and basically that's all it's doing. It's just showing it as a live message, which is a nice little feature to have, especially if you have another person that has a Samsung device. You can write nice little live messages back and forth to each other. It's a nice feature to have. Next, you have write on calendar. So yes, now you're able to write things on your calendar. So say it's a date you want to make something for, you want to be like, I have to go to a party, or so and so and so and so. So come here on Black Friday on the 26th. You can be like, get something, and just like that, you just write on it, which is good. And you can also erase it if you don't want it, and if you want to save it, you would hit save. So this is really cool. Quick commands are really cool with the ZFold3 S Pen. And you also get add more shortcuts. So those are not the only shortcuts you can have on your device. You can have whatever you want. You know, right now I just have create a note, view all notes, smart select, smart write, live message, write on calendar. But you can also put translate, magnify, and I want to show you what this magnify one does. So let's add magnify back. So now that I added magnify, all I would have to do is go out of here like this, and then just click on that button again twice. And just like that, magnify is right there. And I want to show you what magnify does. Basically, it's like a magnify glass. It'll just let you see up close. You can see up close on the apps that you want to see up close on. So that's really cool to have. If you're having trouble reading something, you can just check it out like that. You just hover your pen over what you want to look at in depth, and you can do it just like that. So if this video was helpful, rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.